Hey, it's Luxury Travel Docs here today, and I got a new inflatable kayak for my birthday, and we decided to come out to Price Lake today in Blowing Rock to kayak. And this is a lovely lake. It is over 47 acres in area, but as you can see over my left shoulder, there's not much of a lake to be had here today. And we recently we experienced Tropical Depression Fred come through our area, and it resulted in quite a bit of rain in the North Carolina high country. A lot of downed trees. Well, apparently the dam system for Julian Price Lake and its valve that keeps this lake in check and keeps it level was damaged in the tropical depression. The National Park Service is unable to repair the valve system until the lake fully drained, which you can see it has definitely drained. And once the valve system is fully repaired, then we'll have to wait for the lake to fill up again so that we can go out here and kayak and fish and enjoy this lovely park that was left to the state of North Carolina by Julian Price. Well, we think that this is the culprit to the unfortunate situation of Price Lake being fully drained. And you can see over my right shoulder a valve for the dam that appears to just be continuously draining. So we really hope that the Park Service can get out here quickly and resolve this issue. And then we'll have to wait for the rains to refill our gorgeous Price Lake here in Blowing Rock. Always remember to make meaningful and healthy travel happen, and thanks for joining us from Price Lake in Blowing Rock, North Carolina.